Today, your recovery day, we want to look at this. We can still challenge ourselves, and my challenge to you is to go and do something that you've never done before. For those of you that can't think of anything to do, or you don't have anything booked in, then why not do a warm-up and cool down from one of the programs, or alternatively, you can follow a yoga strength flow program. If you choose to follow this, it will take you anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Recovery days are so important. When we work out, we stimulate change, but all the adaptation to that stimulation takes place in our recovery days. This is one of the reasons that the workout practices are kept as short as possible. We want to do the work as quickly but as good as possible, and then get on with the business of recovery. Getting in some good nutrition, proteins, carbs and fats in every meal, and then allowing that recovery to take place before we get back in to the programming. Okay.
Namaste yogis. Today we're going to look at a beginner's basic vinyasa flow. We're going to add on to our basic vinyasa with several movements. Go from the beginning, flow it all together, and then we're going to put it together and flow the whole thing for 3 rounds. Okay, let's get ready. Let's go and do it. Okay, so first things first, we will do our basic vinyasa, which is high plank, through to chaturanga. Drop the knees if you need to. Up dog, in to downward dog. Okay, the first set of movements that we're going to add on to this is our cat-cow and our plank. So let's just go through that quickly and then we'll add on. Come to a nice box shape. My knees are about hip width apart. Shoulder protraction, posterior pelvic thrust. Take the gaze towards the thigh. To the sky. Once again, into our high plank and hold for 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. We have the wrists out if you need to. And now we add on. So we're going to integrate those 2 movements with our basic vinyasa to create a longer vinyasa, and we'll continue to do so with all the movements that we add on. So, high plank, drive the body forward, drop the knees if you need to, chaturanga. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, downward dog. Drive the body forward, drop the knees into our cat cow. Into our high plank, hold for 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. We have the wrists out if you need to. We're going to add on again now. So from here, we ended in our high plank position. We're going to drop the knees, we're going to cross the feet over the back and come to our bridge pose. We're going to hold here for 3 to 5 seconds. Drop back through. Cross the legs and into our pendant lift, so hands are going to be mid-thigh. We're going to lean forward, hollow out the body, and drive the butt backwards for 3, 2, 1. Again, we're going to now add on. So from the beginning, taking it back to our first basic vinyasa. Drive the body forwards, drop the knees if we need to. Chaturanga. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, downward dog. Drive the body forwards. We come through to our cat-cow. Enter our plank. Hold 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Cross the feet over the back. We come to our shoulder bridge. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Drop the butt. Come through to our pendant lift. 3, 2. Drive the butt backwards. 1. So we ended in this position. We're going to add on and look at the next 2 movements. We're going to look at a chaturanga. The body comes forwards. We step through to our high plank. Again, we can drop the knees if we need to. Chaturanga. Up dog. And then we're going to come through a core lift into our high plank. So we return through the shoulders to high plank, and again we're going to hold for 3 to 5 seconds. I'm just going to repeat that for those of you that want to make this a little harder. So you'll do it without dropping the knees. Drive the body forwards through chaturanga. Breathe in, up dog. Through our core lift, and then back to high plank and hold. You'll have to excuse me, I've got a little bit of a cold. So, for those of you that are following along, I'm going to be doing the second version, keeping my knees raised. So now we're going to go from the beginning and we're going to integrate everything that we've put together so far. So, here we go. Here, start with our basic vinyasa. So here we go. Drive the body forwards through our chaturanga. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, downward dog. Drive the body forwards into our cat-cow. Plenty of shoulder protraction and posterior pelvic tilt. Keep the shoulder protraction switched on. Keep the posterior pelvic tilt switched on as we're into our plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Cross the feet over the back. We're going to come to our shoulder bridge. Take the hands, interlace the fingers. Send them towards the heels. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. If you need to add in a roll to bring you up to prep for your pendant lift, do so. 3, 2, 1. Hands forwards. Enter our high plank in preparation for our chaturanga. Drive the body forwards. Into our rough dog. Breathe in. Return to our high plank through the shoulders. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. There's just 2 more things that we're going to add on before we start to run this whole thing, and we're going to run it as one continuous flowing cycle, and we're going to run it just for 3 rounds. Okay, so we ended in our high plank position. I press back into my down dog, single leg dog, left leg. Drive the knee forwards towards the nose. Place the left foot next to the left thumb. Come to our crescent lunge, hands on hips, posterior pelvic tilt drives forwards. You should feel that in the quad. I'm going to hold there 3 to 5 seconds. Also, 1 or 2 breaths. Breaths is usually my preference. Into our half split. You can start here just until you acclimatise to the stretch of the hamstring and the calf. Breathe in, breathe out. Back through our high plank, change sides. Back through my down dog. Right leg now, breathe in, breathe out. Right foot next to right thumb. Drop through, crescent lunge, posterior pelvic tilt. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold. Drop the knees. Press the feet. And come to rest. So, that is our full beginner's vinyasa flow. Next, let's run through the whole sequence only 3 times, and let's see how we feel about that. Okay, yogis, here we go. 3 rounds, version 1 or version 2. Version 1, obviously we drop our knees when we are doing our chaturanga, and version 2, just keep the knees elevated. I'm going to do version 2. Okay, let's get into it. Start in high plank. Drive the body forwards. Do chaturanga. Make sure that the shoulders are in line with the elbow. Breathe in up front. Breathe out. Forwards and come. Cat cow. High plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Coming into our shoulder bridge. Hold it for 5 seconds. Interlace the fingers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pendant lift. 3. Drive the body forwards. 2, 1. Move to our chaturanga. Drive the body forward. Through into up dog. Return. Through to our high plank. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drive back. Through our down dog. Breathe in left leg. Breathe out. Left foot next to left thumb. Breathe in. Breathe out. Change sides, drive it forwards. Breathe in. Breathe out. And repeat. Forward we come. Basic vinyasa. Through chaturanga. Breathe in, up, down. Breathe out, downward dog. Forward we come. Cat cow, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. High plank, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock the knees. Cross the feet over the back. Coming into our shoulder bridge. Up we come. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Pendant lift. 3, 2, 1. Prep for our chaturanga. High plank. Plenty of shoulder protraction and posterior pelvic tilt. Chaturanga, breathing up dog. Return to high plank through a core lift. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Through to our down dog. Left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Drop. Posterior pelvic tilt, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, and out. Drive it forwards, change legs. Posterior pelvic tilt, don't forget. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Final round. Drive it forwards. High plank. Drive it forwards. Chaturanga. Breathe in up dog. Breathe out downward dog. Drive it forwards. Cat cow. Another one. Into our high plank. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees to the floor, cross the feet. Come to our shoulder bridge. Interlace the fingers. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into our pendant lift. 3. Not too much pressure through the ankles. 2, 1. Chaturanga. Through our high plank first. Up dog. Return to our high plank. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down dog. Breathe in. Down. Posterior pelvic tilt and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Half split. Same again. And again. Left leg back. Crescent lunge. Posterior pelvic tilt. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into our half split. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Drop the knees to the floor, cross the feet over the back. To rest. And there we have it. Sorry about the noise. A lot of construction going on today. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. There's going to be more of this flow, vinyasa flow, coming in the near future. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you practice it and find it of value. Thank you very much. All the love and all the gratitude to every one of you. Namaste.